Hello, I'm going to be showing you my new steam locomotive that I got for Christmas. This engine is a Berkshire steam locomotive that is preserved. This engine's number is 779 of the nickel plate railroad. It doesn't say on the tender because I think it was scratched off, or that's a different tender. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it was just scratched off. But you can see in the back of the, well, sorry for me. You can see kind of the number and keep away thing. This engine is a mixed traffic locomotive, meaning it pulled during its lifetime, I believe, well, I don't know actually what it pulled, but I know the Berkshires were mixed traffic locomotives built for pulling passenger trains or goods trains. And this locomotive is going to be pulling a heavy goods train, or apparently, a heavy goods train. If y'all can see it, that great. Now, this engine does run. It's just it cuts out due to a broken metal right there that it connects to the tender. That's the problem with it. But here it does run. Yes, I did test it, and even before I even started recording, it actually ran one whole entire lap around the track. But it's I don't know if that's the problem or something in the motor's making it cut out. It does run very well. Let's see if it'll go, or I need to give it a little nudge. But anyway. It might cut out. There we go. Damn it. Oh, and also the rolling stock. Disconnect. There we go. I fixed it. This thing wants to be difficult as possible. I don't know what's wrong with it. I mean, it just likes to cut out. Okay. And, oh, come on. Is that train, I don't understand why this train is that heavy. And every time the coupling likes to snap, come off, undo. Maybe I need to rearrange. Well, no, I don't, because if I do that, then the cattle car, the livestock car will not have back, because it has back coupling. But it shouldn't be that heavy to it. But anyway, let me cut out. And it leaves half of the train. Okay, I'm gonna have to get rid of not get rid of it, but and it cuts out. This engine's a pain. This engine's a pain. Alright. Grab. Whoa. See, it only moves whenever It wasn't doing that before. Well, I did test it on just straight track. But, it does run, it just, something's wrong with it that's making it cut out. So let me get rid of this Trying Pacific boxcar. And there we go. That probably was what the dead weight was. The weight was. Alright. Let me go ahead and put back in here. Here we go. Done. sorry for wasting y'all's time, but should be going now. Come on, buddy, come on. You got this. Let me give you a little bit more power juice. Get going there for one more lap. I mean, it's running at full speed because it won't down. It is literally running at full speed. I have the controller on full speed, yet this thing cuts out. But anyway, there is the Berkshire, and also I gotta show the German passenger cars. I was gonna do a double head with a Pacific, my Northwestern 4022 Pacific locomotive, but it has a different type coupling at the front, and that's going to be a little bit problem. But anyway, let me put the locomotive and the rolling stock up real quick. It won't take long. I gotta rearrange it to how I had it. Have rearranged. Okay, what rolling? Okay, I know this was my first like getting new rolling stock, like the train Pacific and all that. Okay, there we go. It won't take long, so just bear with me. I know it's kind of a little bit warm because I'm sitting here wasting just a little bit of time due to me sitting there putting all this stuff up. But don't worry, it'll be okay. Right now, just bear with me. Okay, that's gonna go right there. That can go right there. Kind of. I think it'll work. Kind of. Yeah. I don't know. I don't have enough room to put in the like bigger rolling stock I needed. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. Damn it. I'm wasting all this time. I'm sorry, y'all. But, I'm putting in the bigger rolling stock in first. Yeah, that's a big rolling stock. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's my bad. My bad if you heard a static noise. There. That should probably fix it. I'm still putting all the rolling stock back up. Shouldn't take too long. Oof. Okay, that's fine. I think I could squeeze that in. No? Okay, never mind. But I can't squeeze in that lock. There we go. All done. Oh, I still got more. Never mind. Oops. I still got more to put in. Oof. Okay. Just give me a minute. It won't take long. I got now the smaller rolling stock. I thought I was done. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright. Excuse me. I had to burp. Alright. Let me get these set up real quick. It won't take long. Okay, well, I can show them each individually, starting with... Well, let me get them set up. And also, these do fit on HO scale track. These German cars, passenger cars, and, well, I don't know why I'm saying, you know, they do like to roll. You see me roll? Alright. Give me just a minute. It'll take me a little bit long. Yeah, that's hooked. Pretend like you didn't see that. I'm trying my best to get this thing together. Yeah, pretend like you didn't see them too. The van and the other car. Okay, that's not gonna work. Because the damn coupling's bent. There we go. I'm new to these couplings, so bear with me. These couplings are new to me because I'm used to the Janey couplers. Not these type couplings, but they are interesting. Yeah, that coupling's bent. That coupling's bent bad. I don't know how that happened. I don't remember seeing it like that. Maybe it was like that and I just didn't see it. Okay. Alright, that's the best I'm gonna get it. Alright, let's start with this German boxcar. Now this is, well, it was included. I got this for Christmas too. This is normally when you see a van coupled up to like a baggage car or on like 3 coaches, passenger cars, either due to most of the baggage cars are either being in service or there are none available, they would normally stick a boxcar or a van to the front of the train for the luggage. The sides don't open, not now that I know, or maybe they're just stiff to move because I don't know how old these are. But anyway, moving on to the van. If you want to take a look at it or look on about this van, just look up German boxcar van or boxcar. I don't know how they say boxcar or van in German, but you can look up, just say put boxcar. Anyway, on to the next. Now here is the baggage car. This one's actually quite new to me. I never seen the design of like this narrow right here, yet the rest is like that. But this is meant for the baggage. This one is the other side that moves. Yeah. Hold on, I'll unhook it real quick. Hold on. Give me just a minute. And also, these are very complicated couplings, I could tell. Okay, there we go. Oh, this one's a bolt on good. Trying to shake it off. No, this thing's good on. Wow. Okay. Okay, I got it. Sort of. There we go. Alright, let me fix that. Trying to get the wheel on the track. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's the best I'm gonna get. It's on this side that. And then my. Okay, there we go. And I think that's the only one that moves. The other side doesn't. For some reason. I've tried it and it didn't work. It does not want to. It doesn't move. These are pain. I can tell you that. These are pain actually. These back to coupling. Here is the first slash second passenger car. Right there. This is, I believe, there's supposed to be a first coach right here, and then this one leads like one and a half almost to like this. One's right here at the first part right here, and then the second half is like when the second coach comes in. But anyway, here's the second passenger car. This one has no. It does have sticker, supposed to be. And here is the last passenger car. This is the one with the broken coupling. Well, not broken, but the coupling's bent. So this is the last passenger car. Well, in passenger car. I don't know if there's a third one or any in any of more, like the fourth or fifth or sixth or seven or eight or nine or 10. These coaches are used for branch lines or small commuter service trains. Like small passenger runs, something like that. You know what I mean. Um, and that's why I got these instead the bogie coaches, which I am going to get, and I'm still going to get a German steam locomotive. It's going to be a passenger locomotive that I found for $100, but um I after this month of when I get the German locomotive, or maybe it'll be next month, and then after that I'll worry about getting Henry Bachman, the Bachman Henry, some like passenger cars or goods cars, passenger like freight cars, trucks, like that, or because I know y'all want to see um the Bachman Henry pulling something instead of just pulling nothing or just used as a test engine to see if it ran. Uh, you know. And then I'll worry about like trying to find new steam locomotives, even though it's hard to find get bigger steam locomotives because they're so much high dollar. So that's why I get like duplicates, like like how I got two Pacifics. Then I got two northern types, yet one doesn't work and one does. And yeah, and now I got own a Berkshire, which is something a little bit interesting. I know that it's boring to see like the same class locomotive, but I can't really help it because simple fact, the bigger locomotives are way too expensive. I mean, the locomotives that I buy are like up to $100 or a little bit over 100, like up to 115 or 10. That's and some of these rolling stock are outpriced. These rolling stock, I think I get this was when I found out when I looked into these of what I wanted for Christmas from Santa Claus. Um, I found these and I think these were 50, almost $60 for these, I believe, or $70 for these, for just three branch line small passenger cars, single axle passenger cars, a baggage car, and a van. That makes some sense. And for the Berkshire, it was $100. I mean, prices now these days don't make sense. Simple fact, they don't really, because I know model trains are very popular and expensive, but at the same time, why does the rolling stock have to be so expensive? I mean, they're just rolling stock that you're supposed to add with the train to sit there and let it pull around and just make some sense. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.